Good afternoon and welcome to Llangoed Hall. Come on in.
Wedi ei amgylchynu gan dirlun o didog canolbarth Cymru, mae Llangoed Hall yn westi gyda hanes go arbennig. Credir mai yma oedd safle Senedd cyntaf Cymru nôl yn y flwyddyn 560 wedi Crist. Yn y 4edd ganrif ar 15, collwyd y plasty mewn gêm gardiau, a hwn oedd comisiwn cyntaf pensau'r Portmeirion Clough Williams-Ellis, fe'i prynwyd gan Sir Bernard Ashley, gŵr y cynllunydd ffasiwn Laura Ashley ym 1987, a'i agor yn westi 2 blynedd yn ddiweddarach. Heddiw mae'n westi moethus 23 ystafell wely sydd wedi ennill gwobrau di-ri. Yn ôl y rheolwr, gwaith caled ac hyfforddiant y staff sydd wrth raidd ei llwyddiant.
I've got a wonderful team and it's all credit down to them that we're a multi-award winning hotel, because I believe in investing in my team because actually I will and they will reap the benefits of their hard work that we put in the early stages. It's always harder at the beginning, but that filters through later on and it makes it far easier to build a business later on as well, because they've got the better skill set.
Ond dyw hi heb fod yn fel I gyd. A delwedd y diwydiant lletygarwch yng Nghymru yw'r her fwyaf maen nhw'n ei wynebu.
Wales is facing a terrible crisis just now. We're playing catch up with the rest of our countries in the United Kingdom and definitely with Europe on the hospitality side. It's a very underrated subject and an industry that's poorly frowned upon.
Will you stay with us again?
Yes, of course.
Un ateb i'r her yma oedd ffurfio partneriaeth gyda choleg lleol, Coleg Powys, mwyn cynnig cyfleoedd i'r staff I hyfforddi tra'n gweithio ac ennill cymwysterau ychwanegol ar yr un pryd.
We went from 2 staff to 6 staff to 8 staff, now to 14 staff, all on training plans that are all improving their skill set. And actually, at the end of it, they'll end up with a qualification that they didn't think they would ever have. But they're doing it while they're working, so they're earning at the same time.
My name's Karina Williams and I'm a receptionist at Llangoed Hall. I'm currently doing an MVQ in front of house and reception. When I first started, I was quite nervous on just answering the phone and talking to our guests. And now since working here, I feel confident perhaps in the future I could become a head receptionist.
My name's Richard Sturgeon and I am a front of house here at Llangoed Hall. I'm doing a NVQ here at work for front of house, so I basically get assessed on what I do on a day-to-day basis. And as I say, brilliant job, every day is completely different and meet so many great people and just absolutely love it. I'm hoping just to work my way up the ranks hopefully, so the big aim is hotel management somewhere in the future.
Llynedd fe ymunodd prif cogydd newydd gyda'r tîm, yn ogystal â chreu bwydlenni creadigol, mae hefyd am ysbrydoli cenhedlaeth newydd o weithwyr yn y diwydiant lletygarwch, ac yn ffyddiog bod na ddyfodol llywyrchus iawn ar gyfer unrhyw un sy'n barod I weithio'n galed ac sy'n benderfynol o lwyddo.
From a young age, you can work anywhere. There's plenty of jobs there. The amount of people you meet, loads of career prospect because you can move up quite quickly through the ranks. It's not like some jobs where you could be in the same job 20 years. This one, if you're good, you'll work up. The harder you work when you're younger, the better you'll be. Go try out a kitchen, write to a head chef, write to a hotel or restaurant and say, I'm interested in coming in for a bit of work experience. Check it out.
Mae'r gwaith caled a'r hyfforddiant yn barod yn talu ar ei ganfed. Eleni mae Llangoed Hall wedi ennill llwyth o wobrau, gan gynnwys y gwesti orau yng Nghymru a'r lle bwyta mewn gwesti orau ym Mhrydain. Mae'n rhoi'r dechrau gorau posib i'r newydd ddyfodwyr ifanc yma I ddiwydiant lletygarwch Cymru.